Good morning, students. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter 3, squares and square roots, cubes and cube roots. So children, till now you have only studied squares in geometry. To find out the area of a square, formula is side into side. But in algebra, if we have to find out the square of a number, it should be raised to the power 2. Suppose if you have to find out the square of a 9, so it should be raised to the power 2, means 9 square should be 9 into 9. 9 will be multiplied 2 times and that is 81. So the square of 9 is 81. Clear? Similarly, if I write 3 upon 7 and we have to find out the square of 3 upon 7, so it will be written twice. So 3 3s are 9, 7 7s are 49 and 9 upon 49 will be the square of 3 upon 7. If in decimal we have to find out the square, we will write 0.2 ka whole square means 0.2 into 0.2 means 0.2 will be multiplied 2 times. So 2 2s are 4 and decimal we will place after 2 digits because 1 here, 1 here, 1 and 1, 2. So we will place 1 0, then it will become 0.04. So children, let us see some squares. 1 ka square will be 1, 2 square will be 4 because 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 4 16, 5 into 5 25 and so on. Similarly, you can find out the squares of any number. Now comes to perfect square. A natural number is called a perfect square if it is the square of some natural number. So children, if you have to find out that a given number is a perfect square, you have to express that in pairs of equal factors. Like if we have to find out the square of 16, so it will be 4 4s are 16 means 4 is in pairs and we have to find out 1 from the pair. Okay, so if you have to find out, if a question comes that find out that this number is a perfect square or not, so how you will do? You will do by prime factorization method. But one easy method I am telling you, see only its units place. Units place means this ones place. This is tens, this is 100 and this is 1000. So if it's unit place means this ones place are 1, 4, 9, 6, 5 and 0 means these numbers, because these numbers are perfect squares. Alright children, because 1 ka square 1, 2 ka square 4, 3 ka square 9, 4 ka square 16 and 16 is in 16, 6 is the unit place. So only see 6. In 25, 5 is in unit place. So only see 5. Only see 6. The 6 is repeated. This 9 is also repeated. This 4 is also repeated. This 1 is also repeated. Then this 0. So 1, 4, 9, 6 and 0. 6, 5 and 0. You have to see these numbers. If these numbers are at the units place, children, so that number is the perfect square. Got it? So 705 in 7056, 6 is at unit place and see, yes, we have 6 here. So this number is a perfect square. Got it? So you have to do this exercise 3A, in which you have to find the square of each of the following numbers. So you can find these squares after doing multiplication. Okay, and this you have to do in copy, not in book. Okay, and in second question also you have to do using prime factorization method, but don't use prime factorization method, only use that method that I have told you this easy method to you. So apply this method and then do this exercise. Suppose you have to see this number is a perfect square or not. So 2, see we have numbers 1 4 9 6 5 0. So it means this 252 is not a perfect square. Okay, like 324. Yes, in this unit place is 4, so 4 is a perfect square. So we can say that 324 is a perfect square. In this way you have to do all the questions, okay, till 8th part.